Hello, this is Chad. You probably found this video because your water heater won't stay lit or you're having a hard time lighting it and you can't get it lit. Chances are it's your thermocouple or your flame sensor in your water heater. But there is one thing that you can try before you either replace it or clean your sensors. Let's look at the bottom of your water heater. There's a screen that protects the water heater from dust and lint that can clog the air intake filter. If you don't have a screen, your filter may be plugged. Let's go ahead and take this off. We have the screen off. I'm going to take a brush and clean the filter. I'm going to stick the brush through one of the ports. There's a piece of tin at the bottom, and I want to make sure that I'm above that. Let's take a closer look. This is the bottom of the tank where the air intake filter is at. We're going to take our brush and brush the filter all over it, removing the debris. And I didn't get much. My screen isn't that bad either. It's not too dirty, but I'm going to get a vacuum and vacuum this all up so I don't have a future problem. And then I'll just put the screen back in place. Since the screen and the filter were pretty clean, this wouldn't be the issue. Chances are it would be the thermocouple or flame sensor, since this has an electronic ignition. They can both be cleaned or replaced. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. In this video, I used a brush that was about 12 inches long.